Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video, we have a DJI Care Refresh program, seeing if it actually works. So if any of you saw my live video, there were some issues with the DJI microphone, and I was actually on support live with DJI support. They were like, oh, this is great because, a lot of times they say do this, do that, and it turns out to be a bad game of Twister, but everything happens in real time, so they're able to escalate things faster. And so my mic wasn't working, it wouldn't update, it wouldn't implement the sound when you press the button, nothing. And so they said, send it back. I sent it back, and then they sent it back, and then I got it back. And so now we're back here in this video. So let's without any further ado, let's get started. If you're wondering, like, why is he making a video? Because I want to see, given that everything was live and troubleshooting with the firmware and not connecting and whatever, everything that happened, did they fix it or did they replace it? One or the other. We don't know. But if they did, that means they must have some special software that we don't have, that we couldn't do. So I'm kind of hoping that they replaced it. But you never know, shipping, and kind of like they went Amazon. Remember Amazon in the beginning? When you get your shipment, they would send something this small inside a box this big. It's just a microphone. Here's the mic. Oh wow, they sent everything new. Okay, they got me my transmitter. We got this and the mic. Nice. Wow, they packaged everything really nicely. They really secured it. It's like a fortress in there. Like I really don't know how to open it. Oh. Ruined it. But make people loving the sound of the unwrapping. Do you like that? She came to me one day. She's like, it's like an ASMR. They're like, what? You watch those videos? She's like, yeah, they're on YouTube. I'm like, oh wow, I didn't know that. So it was, she has her own. I'll definitely put it in the tag. Okay, so good. I got my. They probably use gloves because, no one wants to get their stuff back scratched. Oh, so it was one mic that was done. Nice. Okay. And they package it nicely so nothing would happen. Thank you, DJI. So we can put this back in. I rarely use that one, to be honest with you. But that's good if you have an iPhone. Nice. That one's fine. Not really sure what that means. 1CC33 3A2. It could be a firmware, or I'm not sure. Oh, it is a new one. Look at that. 3 bags. I'm a bag man. I love. It's a new microphone. You see that? Yeah. It says DJI. Yeah, so let's open it carefully. Oh wow. To double check everything. Look, the magnet. Because I had lost it one time. It just didn't work. Let's see. It goes like that. So let's see what's in here in case you're wondering what comes in the mic if we buy it solo. It comes with a cord, which is great for traveling. Otherwise, it'll connect via Bluetooth. This is great. We have the goatee, right? Which is, as it comes in handy, especially if it's windy outside. I've done some videos without it, thinking like, oh, it's a great mic. So we'll put it in here, and we'll probably get a different matching firmware. So if you have one green and one blank, it either means it needs to be charged or it's in Bluetooth mode. Yep, see, it's in Bluetooth mode. What we do is we hold that orange button down. Now it's green, and there it is. Now we can see it. Just you can only sync 2 mics at a time. The mics aren't going to sync unless we take mic out and mic out. See, mic 1 and mic 2. We can close this for now, and then we just want to check the firmware. If you have that on, which is this like this, if I press the power button, it enhances the audio. So you can have background noise happening, and as soon as you press that, it somehow eliminates the background noise, and all you hear is the voice. This part is phenomenal. Let's see what the firmware is. Info. Okay, so firmware is 04040513. Okay, and then yeah, so it is. Oh yeah, that's probably what the numbers meant. That it had an older firmware, see? So we just have to update the firmware, which is fine. So put it back in. Typically you can't update them by just putting them in, and then plugging it into your computer. See? Voila. Looks like in order to get the firmware to sync, you have to turn this off and on again. Let's try this. Put it back in. Sometimes you have to do that to let it resync. Close it. Now we go here. Now we pull one out. See, TX2 just showed up. And now TX1. Now we got both. Pretty good. But yeah, that's it. Thank you, DJI. This is great. Put that one here. Everything was covered under warranty. So, whether you don't have warranty or do have warranty, I highly recommend Care Refresh because it will save you a bunch of headaches down the line. And as you can see, it's streamlined. And DJI will honor their product. There's no, I don't understand, you might have difficulty communicating when you go back and forth. But, they get it. They know. They know if it's broken, it doesn't work. And that's why I do all my issues with them via live stream. I'll probably leave this in there so I know which one is which for now. Once we update both the firmwares, well, the other way to tell would probably be the serial number too. Mic 2, can only imagine what the Mic 3 is going to look like. Yeah, like I said, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.